Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you, I'm going to share you a step-by-step process on how to create a verified PayPal account in Ghana or Nigeria or any other African country. Okay, right. So from here, you can notice that this is my personal PayPal account. Okay, I have this PayPal account for more than 3 years, okay, and then I've been using this PayPal account throughout these years, and then you could see that there are some amount of money in there, okay. Now the purpose of this video is for is to help people who want to use their or want to trade outside of their country, especially in USD, okay, in US dollars. So maybe they want to buy stuff online on maybe eBay, buy and reselling other stuff. But in case you want to do anything fraud, okay, you want to do or you want to use PayPal for fraud stuff, you will be penalized. Okay, that is not the main purpose of this video. This video is to help you do transaction, maybe you want to buy and sell and other stuff. Okay, right. So without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So first, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process to create a business PayPal account. Okay, there is personal and a business. So you could notice that this is what a business PayPal account, because we have business tools over here. And then I'll also show you how to link cards, okay, Visa card, and then what, maybe a US bank account. Maybe you want to link a Pioneer account or GPay account or whatever. So let me show you that this is really a verified account. Okay, so in case I want to transfer money, you could notice that I have linked what another bank account. Okay, that is what I'll also show you in this video. So without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So I'm going to use different details because I cannot use the exact details to create my PayPal account. Okay, so let's start with that. So now what you have to do is just go to your any browser you are using, okay, and then just type what PayPal. Remember, this is going to be a step-by-step process, okay? Step-by-step process. Now, from here, you can notice that you have this first hyperlink, okay? Click on this first hyperlink. Click on this first hyperlink with what? HTTPS colon slash slash paypal.com, okay? Click on this hyperlink, right? So from here, you can notice that we have what? paypal.com/gh/home, okay, indicating that this account or I'm currently, so PayPal actually uses your location, okay, so they use your IP location to whenever you just log into their account, okay, or any of their sites. So from here you can notice that they have what GH, meaning that I'm in Ghana right now. Now, this is the shortest and simplest way to create this PayPal account. Forget about this $5 bonus, okay? Right? Because they're saying that sign up and get $5 bonus. You might go ahead and click sign up. No, this is what you're trying to do. Click a verified PayPal account, not just any PayPal account, okay? Verified PayPal account so that you can actually use it, okay, for transactions and all that. Now, this is what you do. So you have what? GH/home, okay? I'm talking about this one, GH/home. What you have to do is just change this GH/home towards AE, okay? Change the GH/home towards AE, okay? So change that to AE. After that, click on enter. As I initially stated, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to create a verified PayPal account, not just any PayPal account, okay? PayPal account I've been using for past 3 years and counting, okay? That's a similar one I'm about to show you or show you how to create. Now, from here, you can notice that this interface has changed, okay? So initially we had what? Create an account for what? $5, but now we have this one, okay? This is because I'm using a different location, okay? That's how you can actually create your PayPal account, a verified PayPal account. Now, what you have to do next is to click on what? Sign up, okay? Click on sign up. So after clicking on sign up, you can notice that you've been brought to this page. You are told what? create what a personal or business account. So the reason why I want you guys watching this video to create a business account is because it has lots and lots of incentives. Okay, it has lots and lots of incentives, and then we have personal account. Okay, we don't need to create a personal account, but I want you to guys to create a business account, because for the business account you can accept payments, send invoices to your customers. Okay, and then easier is more, and then it's much more what secure. Okay, much more secure to sell to anyone, anywhere, and then at what anytime, unlike the personal account. Okay, so click on continue, choose business account, and then click on what continue. So after clicking on continue, you start the process of what creating your what PayPal account. This is a verified PayPal account. Okay, so now first what you have to do is just insert a correct email address. Okay, insert a correct email address. As I initially stated, I'm not using, I already have a PayPal account, so I'm creating this PayPal account as a way of showing you how to create a verified PayPal account. Okay, so I'm going to use um email over here. Okay, have an email over here. Okay, you just use that to create a what PayPal account. So we have what this email. Okay, this email we'll be using to create a PayPal account. So after inserting your PayPal email, okay, click on continue. All right, and then you come up with what, or you insert what, or you generate a what password for that specific email. Okay, create a password. So this password has specific stuff you need to know. So it has to have what 8 to 20 characters, an uppercase and lowercase letters, and then a number or symbol. So let me generate a password. Okay, and then we continue from there. Okay, so I've generated my password. Okay, so now let's proceed. Okay, so once you get to this point, you are entitled to enter a legal first name. Okay, so per the account or per the email I'm using, this is the legal first name I have to use. Okay, right? Okay, so let's proceed. So you insert your legal first name and then your legal last name. Okay, and then your business details. So you are to insert what legal business name. So this business name must be identical to the name on the company's articles of what incorporation. So I'll just use this business name. Again, you have to notice that it has to, you know, be equal or synonymous towards the company you are trying to link to. Okay, right. Now let's proceed. So from here you can notice that since we chose AE, we are using what, as you can see, okay, United Arab Emirates, but we have to use what um a verified mobile number. Okay, so I'm currently using a Ghanaian number. Okay, so let's find a Ghanaian number. Okay, I'm going to use a Ghanaian number, so I'll just use a Ghanaian number over here. So let me pick up the number and then we proceed from there. Okay, so let's proceed from there. Let's insert the number. I'm trying to move as slow as possible so that you get to understand whatever you are doing. Okay, this is a Ghanaian number. Okay, now let's proceed. So you insert your address. Okay, this has to be what PO box. So you have PO what box. I'm using my address. Okay, so we have PO box. Maybe okay. You insert your city. Okay, you just insert your city. Now, this is one thing you need to know. Okay, this is another thing you need to know. So you have to select one of these. Okay, because of the um region you are using. Okay, so after inserting all these details, you click on what? Accept. Okay, by clicking agree and continue, you agree to the user agreement and the privacy statements. Okay, after going through all of these, okay, after going through all of these step by step, You click on agree and continue. But before that, you can notice that you have the option to choose the currency you want, okay? But you are interested in what? The USD. So that's what you'll be choosing, or that's what you've already chosen, okay? After doing that, go ahead and click on what? Agree and continue. But before you click on agree and continue, make sure that all the info you inserted, okay, are correct, okay, are very, very correct. So after that, you click on what? Agree and continue. Now you wait for this to load up. You'll be brought to this page, okay? Now, from here, you'll be asked what? The business type, okay? So for the business type, since you are the only person involved in the business, you can choose what? Sole proprietorship. That's because you are one person doing your business, okay? After that, you'll be asked to what? Insert what? The product or service keyword. So it could be anything, okay? So maybe it could be, depending on what you do, okay? Maybe you do business services, okay? Maybe you do business services or whatever, okay? The options are many. Depending on whatever you do, you just insert whatever you do, okay? Maybe business services, um, flyer design, professional services, eating places, restaurants, membership organization, miscellaneous, food stores, medical, dental, and what hospital equipment, insurance, what sales, men's, women, children, uniforms, business services. So I chose business services. Now, from here, you can notice that they're telling us to insert what? Our website. Now, the website is optional, okay? The website is optional. So you can just ignore that and click on what? Continue. Now, from here, you proceed towards tell them a bit about yourself, okay? You tell them a bit about yourself. So let's see. I'm going to insert a bit of details about what the account I used. Okay, so let's see. So I'm choosing my date of birth. Okay, so for the date of birth, let's choose what the day. For day, let's choose maybe 14th. The month, let's choose the seventh month. Okay, so let's see January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, so January, February, March, April, May, June. Let's choose July. Okay, that's the seventh month. Now, and then the year. I'm going to choose a year. Okay, let's choose a year. And then you have what? National identity. Choose what? The national ID, which is what? Your Ghana card. Okay, and then you insert your Ghana card. So I'm going to choose, or I'm going to copy Ghana card over here, Ghana card number. Okay, and then insert it right here. Okay, going to insert that right here. Now, from here, you can notice that we have what our details over here. Okay, have our details over here. And then after that, you click on what? Submit. Okay, click on submit. Now, you could notice that this is loading. Okay, from here, you could notice that we have what? We've created our what? PayPal account. Okay, this is a verified PayPal account. This is a verified PayPal account. So let me show you before we proceed. I would urge you to subscribe to the channel in case this video was helpful or you're able to create this PayPal account using a step-by-step um method. Okay, so from here you can notice that we have got welcome to PayPal commerce platform where you find tools that can help your business grow and secure and succeed. Okay, click on OK. Now from here you can notice that we have our business tools over here: invoicing, request money, send money, PayPal.me, PayPal checkout. Now, from here, you can notice that this is a verified PayPal account, okay, with no um amount of money in there, okay. So we don't have anything in here. So we can go to our money page, send or request money, okay. I'm going to show you that this account is actually, legitimate, okay. So we have nothing over here. So we can go back to our home, okay. Now, after creating your PayPal account, you can notice that there are certain steps you need to, fill up. Okay. First, you need to confirm your email address. Okay. From here, you need to confirm your email address. Now, I don't have the email address on this page, okay? So I'm going to confirm the email address on my phone and then come back to our web, what, our Windows PC, okay? So after linking your email address or after verifying your email address, you'll be given the option to link a payment method, okay? This is where you can actually verify your bank account. For most US citizens or other users of PayPal, they usually link a bank account, just like I showed you initially at the beginning of the video where I've linked a bank account. Okay, so in case you subscribe, I will upload a video on how to link a bank account, okay, a USD bank account. But for this video, I will show you how to link what Visa card. Okay, so from here you can notice that you have to enter your Visa number. Okay, you need to enter a Visa number. So in case you have a Fidelity bank account, Cal bank account, um, any bank account, okay, you get a Visa card for maybe 50 cedis or more, after which they just put the money into your main account, okay. The problem is you cannot withdraw that money, but it's for your own safety, okay, right? So just insert that number over here, okay, just insert. So you can notice that this is a Discover account, okay, then this is a MasterCard account. Okay, you can actually link a MasterCard account too, and then you have the what Diners Club account. So you can actually link a Visa card too. Okay, actually link all of these cards over here. So you just choose the one you want over here, either Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Union Pay, and what this one or okay, Diners Club. And then you enter your expiration date. The expiration date is on the card. Enter your security code. The security code is that the 3 digits at the back of the card. And then you'll be given what option to add your address, okay, where they will bill you where in case you make any transaction, okay. So in the next video, I will show you, okay, I'll show you how to actually verify your PayPal account, okay. Right. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.